Hello, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to discuss about the sorting. The paging and sorting repository also provides support for sorting out of the box. And in this video, we are going to see how we are going to use the sorting inside the data JPA project. So what we need to do is let's go to the service implementation, the employee service implementation, and we have this method called get employees by keyword. And for this method we are going to implement the sorting. So we have to sort the employees based, let's say we have to sort it in the descending order or in the ascending order. Let's see how we can do that. So we are going to make use of the sort class. Sort is a class inside the Spring framework, and we are going to make use of the static method by, and to this we are going to pass the direction sort dot direction dot ascending or descending. Let's keep it descending, and we have to specify the column name, but the column name is specified with the field name, and the field name I want to sort it based on the ID. So let's specify the ID, and we are going to pass this sort to this find by name containing method, and we have to modify the repository method. Let's go to our repository, and here this is going to accept this sort, and let's import it from the data.domain.sort package. Now let's save all our changes. Alright, our application restarts. Let's switch to the Postman. Let's go to the read employees by keyword. So right now we are searching for the keyword B, but instead of, let's search for the keyword EMP. And when I click on this send, we should get the record, but in the descending order. You can see the ID starts from 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, so the records is sorted in the descending order. We can also change this to ascending order. So let's save this. Our application will restart. Let's switch to the Postman. Let me expand so that I can keep track of the messages, console messages. Alright, the application is restarted. Now let's switch to the Postman, and this time when I click on this send, we should get the records in the ascending order. You can see the ID starts from 25, 26, 27 and all the way up to 36. So this is how we can implement sorting inside our application. So now we have learned about the pagination and sorting. In the next video we are going to combine these pagination and sorting, and we will see how it will work together. I will see you in the next video.